Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Star, local and long distance movers near me. Whether you want to relocate to a new state or country, we're here to assist you. Our professionals offer personalized solutions that fit your exact needs. Enjoy the following benefits with our moving services: packing, unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Our team of movers knows how to make the relocation easier. We help you get to your new destination without all the stress. With us, you get an easier long-distance move no matter how far you need to go. A trusted Idaho moving company will help you preserve energy and time. Further, you can protect your belongings efficiently. Don't worry about getting injured while lifting heavy items with movers helping you. 3 Movers has the knowledge and expertise to move your items safely. You can sit back and relax without taking any unwanted risks. Our prices are the most competitive in the industry. We can perform a large local move in just one day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Star Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.